It's a shocking news for beauty pageant fans around the world, as Anne Jakrajutatip, the CEO of Miss Universe organization, has stepped down from her executive position at JKN Global Group, a listed company in Thailand that co-holds the Miss Universe franchise. Anne's resignation came as another stunner in the global pageant community, just weeks after another Thailand-based beauty pageant with a global reach was rocked by controversy. According to reports, Anne and 3 other directors of JKN quit their positions amid an investigation by Thailand's Securities and Exchange Commission of alleged financial irregularities against the publicly listed company, which also holds stakes in other prestigious pageants like Miss USA and Miss Teen USA. According to reports, JKN Global Group filed on June 6 a notification acknowledging the SEC's charges and the resignation of directors. The company announced that the Office of the Securities and Exchange Commission had filed charges against 3 individuals with the Department of Social Investigation or DSI. The company said Anne and the 2 directors had filed their resignation from the company effective June 5. Since acquiring half of the stake of the Miss Universe brand for $12 million in 2022, JKN has faced financial difficulty and even filed for bankruptcy in November 2024 over liquidity problems. With her leaving JKN, it was expected Anne would also step down from the Miss Universe organization soon. Following this development, many are worried how Anne's resignation may affect the holding of Miss Universe 2025. The 74th edition of the premier global beauty pageant is slated on November 25 and will be hosted by Thailand. But if precedence is to be taken into consideration, the Miss Universe 2024 had pushed through despite JKN's bankruptcy woes that year, and considering that Anne's company owns only 50% of the Miss Universe brand, her resignation might not affect much with the pageant. Aside from JKN, half of the Miss Universe franchise is owned by Legacy Holding Group USA Incorporated of Mexico.